So next we are discussing with that Arduino fundamentals. So Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on that Atmega 328P, that is a data sheet. So it has 14 digital I/O pins, out of which 6 can be used for PWM output, then 6 it will be used for analog input, as a 16 megahertz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, power jack, and an ICSP header and reset button. So Uno means one in Italian and was chosen to mark the release of Arduino IDE system. The Uno board version of 1.0 of Arduino software were the reference version of Arduino. So now it will be evolved newer releases. The Uno board is the first in a series of USB Arduino boards and the reference model for the Arduino platform. For an extensive list of current, past or outdated boards, see the Arduino index of boards. The Arduino Uno is standard board of Arduino. Here Uno means one in Italian, so it was named as an Uno to label the first release of Arduino software. So it was also the first USB board released by an Arduino. So it considered as a powerful board used for various projects. The Arduino.cc developed at the Arduino Uno boards. The Arduino Uno is based on the Atmega 328P microcontroller. It is used to compare to another board such as an Arduino Mega board, etc. The board consists of digital and analog input-output pins and seals and other circuits. The Arduino Uno includes 6 analog input, 14 digital pins, USB connector, power jack, and in-circuit serial programming, that is an ICSP header. So it is the program based on the IDE, which stands for an integrated development environment. It can run on both online and offline platform. The IDE common to available of the Arduino board is in the schematic diagram, so it will be shown on that. The components of Arduino Uno board, you have a reset button, then AR, EF, then transmitter and receiver LED, digital I/O pins, then power on LED indicator, ICSP pin, then Atmega 328 microcontroller, then various analog pins, VIN, ground, 5 volt, 3.3 reset button, power button, voltage regulator and crystal oscillator, then USB communications. Then Atmega 328 microcontroller, it is a single chip microcontroller of Atmel family. The processor code inside of 8-bit. So it combines memory of SRAM, EEPROM and flash. Analog to digital converter, SBI serial ports, IO lines, register, timer, external and internal interrupt and oscillator. ICSP pin, so this is an in-circuit serial programming pin, allows the user to program using the firmware of Arduino board. Power LED indicator, the on status of LED shows the power is activated. When the power is off, the LED will not be light up. Then digital I/O pins, the digital pins have the value of high or low. These pins number to D0 to D13 are digital pins. Then transmitter and receiver LED, TX and RX LED. The successful flow of data is represented by lighting these LEDs. The analog reference pin, that is a reference, that is called as an analog reference pin, used to feed the reference voltage to an Arduino Uno board from the external power supply. Then the reset button, it is used to add a reset button to a connection. Then USB, so it is allows the board to connect the computer, so it is an essential for programming of Arduino Uno board. Then crystal oscillator, so it is used for oscillating frequency that decides the that particular microcontroller it performs. The crystal oscillator has a frequency of 16 megahertz, which makes the Arduino Uno as a powerful board. Then voltage regulator, so voltage regulator converts the input voltage to an 5 volt. Then ground pins, normal any hardware board it requires the ground pin, so ground pin acts as a pin with 0 voltage. Then we input the input voltage, so it will be represented as an VIN. Then analog pins, the pins numbered from A0 to A5 are analog pin. The function of analog pin is to read the analog sensor used in the connection. It can also act as an GPIO, that is called as a general purpose input output pin. So these are the some basic pins, layouts and schematic diagram of Arduino. So these Arduino boards, it will be used for developing any kind of applications related to an innovative or some small applications. So these are the Arduino boards fundamentals you are using with that current microprocessor or embedded system applications. Thank you.